Ever wonder why you yawn when someone nearby does? This is contagious yawning, observed not just in humans, but in the animals as well. It's associated with empathy and the social dynamics of bonding. Our brains instinctively replicate actions we notice, akin to a silent high five. Interestingly, the typical yawn lasts for about 6 seconds and can escalate your heart rate by a substantial 30%. This yawning contagion even in infants. If you yawn upon seeing someone you share an emotional bond with yawn, it's not an indication of tiredness but rather empathy. Yawning might additionally serve to regulate your brain temperature. Hence, it's not just about feeling sluggish or uninterested, so keep exploring, keep yawning, and don't stop learning. And hey, try not to yawn while watching this video.